40 USD for 30 minutes of your time for submitting survey results. Sounds good? This is what I'm going to show you guys today. Hi, this is Chris with MarketIntelligence.com. Welcome back to another great video, and today I'm going to show you how you can make 40 USD or even more with some different ways. I'm going to show you a little bit in a second on completing surveys and submitting your feedback. Also, I'm continuing for the third day the golden dollar game, where you can see different dollar icons on the video as I move around. And all you need to do is to find which minute on the video, which minute and second is the golden dollar gonna appear. All the icons appear for 1 second. Comment below the time and you will be able to get $1 if I choose you, because if it's gonna be more people, I'm gonna choose just one, and I'm gonna contact you below in order to reward you $1 for watching your this video and taking the time to comment below as a thank you. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start today's video, guys. The website I'm going to talk to you today is called userinterviews.com. As always, you can get the link from the list below the description. Click on it, it will bring you to this page, and as you can see, the user research system for teams of any size, make better, faster product decisions with seamless participant recruitment and management. Pretty much what user interviews does. They get hired by big brand companies, and then they assign to people like you and me the task to go ahead and do some different research on their products, on their sites and so on, and we submit their feedback and go from there. You can click this curious, watch our new video here to see what's a little bit. I'm gonna leave that for you to watch. On the interesting part for us, what we need to do, sign up to earn money. This is always our interesting part. As it says, answer questions, get paid. Is that easy? That's correct. User interview is the easiest way to get paid for your feedback on real products. You click to start to take it to the sign up page. Here are some of the companies that already hire and work with them: Pinterest, Pandora, AT&T, Colgate, Wayfair, and so on. How it works: we send you emails when we have new projects. You will fill out the survey, determine the qualify of the study, if you qualify for the study, and if you qualify, you're gonna get paid for the participation on your submission. I want you to scroll a bit down further so you can see, so you can see a couple more options that may be available for you. Now, you have D2L, try now experience, higher education. You are able to do one-on-one interview over the phone, and you're gonna get 60 USD per hour. If you click here, it's gonna take you to the page, and you can see a little bit more further detail of how this works. Now, yeah, how to apply the description. So, okay, you're gonna be getting 60 USD by Amazon gift cards for 1 hour value of your time. You're gonna get this is what we're discussing earlier. This is what I want you to follow up on, trials and so on. It's 40 USD for 30 minutes. You click here and you're gonna able to see the different descriptions and rules, in order to participate. Now, what I want you to keep in mind, as you can see, there is different going one step back. Yeah, and what I want you to see, there is different companies that are located all around the world. Most of these companies are international. Yeah. Now, if Colgate, for example, right now releases a new toothpaste, and they want to see the feedback because this is they want to launch and promote this for a female, as a female product, and they want to promote this on a specific part of the world, then the survey would be, let's say, for example, for women from age to 18 to 60 that are located in Europe. So if you are a male and located in the States, this is not going to work for you. So what I'm trying to say is some surveys may be not able to apply for you guys. Yeah. So as this is an international oriented site and they want people from around the world, most likely you're going to be receiving surveys on a quite frequent basis. But in case something is not open right now or something is very specific, just don't get disappointed. Stay tuned with them and you're gonna be able to receive. Maybe 1 week you receive a lot of them, and in 1 week you don't receive anything. That's not based on the user interviews criteria. That's based on the companies they hire them to complete the service. So this is what I wanted to clear out. And you have the product and knowledge manager's outlook evaluation, where again, if you click here, you're gonna see a little bit more description on how it works and how to apply. Now, this is what I want to show you guys. You have the different options you can apply. Based on you can see if you want to give it a shot on one or more or all of them. Yeah, so just go ahead and click the view more options, and when you're ready, you can start participating and fill out the forms, put your profile information, and start earning some money doing these options. This is what I want to show you guys today. Userinterviews.com. I believe it's very nice, legit site to start making some money, and it's available international, so you can go ahead and apply, complete surveys, and submit and get paid for it. Now, it's not gonna make you rich overnight, guys. As I told you, my number one recommendation is listed below. You can click my number one recommendation below, so you can see my best voted way on making money online. It's free to start, video with proof to guide you along, and you can pretty easy set it up from your side and help you a little bit with your finances. This is what I want to show you guys today. I hope you like the content of this video. I hope by now you found the golden dollar and commented below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up. If this is your first video on my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Click the subscribe button, because it will be a great honor to have you on my channel, guys. Start making some money. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Enjoy, guys. Bye bye, guys.